Hello everyone, my name is Srinay and today we are going to draw something because my annual exam preparations I have to do. So today we are not going to discuss any other concepts. So let's start. So I am going to draw reference of this letter B. We are going to draw something. So I will draw first letter B. I had did this part smaller than this because I have to do face. So I will draw first tail. This is the tail. Then we will draw eyes. This is the mouth. And we are going to draw now ears. These are the ears. And this is the hand. So now we will draw leg. So this is the leg. And this is our animal rabbit. And if you like this drawing, please like my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you want me to draw any other drawings from the alphabets, please let me know that and drop it in the comment box. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.